today. Okay, let's talk about this thing. Absolutely hilarious. I'm in such a good mood right now. The Isuzu Elf. This is actually the NKR, so it's really confusing their lineup, and I definitely think they need to work on that. But this is called the 1X. It's new, it's the smallest, and it actually is less than 2 meters now. 2 meters in height, obviously. And why is that important? Well, one, you can get into underground car parks, but two, you can actually go into a Macca's drive-through. That's right, this will fit in a drive-through. We all know tradies, we all know me. We love a good drive-through. Clearly, look at me. You can finally do it in an Isuzu truck, and it's kind of hard to recommend a light truck, especially if you're trying to claim that it's parity with a ute if it can't do the things that a ute can do. Because let's be honest, in a 4x4 ute, you can go proper off-roading, you can carry your whole family, or at least up to 5 people. In this, you cannot, but we'll come back to that.
13. You know, all the American competitors had the cylinder deactivation and AFM, right? And we know that plagued them, right? This hurts Hemis long term. This hurts, of course, the GM engines, right? Ford had their share of engine problems as well. These Nissan engines were just extremely simple. This was just a simple engine, no fancy tech. It had a timing chain, no cylinder deactivation, no turbos, nothing. Here is a few for sale around the country. You know, I would suggest buying one